Luna's Learning Adventure. Hi, little explorers. Today is a very special day. It's the first birthday of Luna's Learning Adventure. Look at all these amazing memories. We've learned, played, and had so much fun together. We discovered new things, solved puzzles, and shared some super fun adventures. Do you remember this? This book holds all the amazing things we've learned together. I may not see your messages, but I know that you are learning, growing, and having fun with me. And now, it's time to make a wish for next year. I wish for even more adventures, more learning, and more fun with you. Let's keep exploring and learning together. Thank you for being part of Luna's Learning Adventure. Happy first birthday to us!